Hi, in this video, I'm going to do a review of Pinnakle, a product by Mosh Bari that claimed they had created a brand new traffic pipeline with zero competition or saturation, the first of its kind that will help you take other content creators' TikTok videos and post them as your own to your YouTube platform. I will show you inside the members area during my review and explain how it all works. I will show you all the OTOs, including the total cost. Furthermore, I'll explain why Pinnakle is a product that you do not want to buy or use to help you make money online, and is not the solution to make money online that you're probably looking for. On another note, I am not an attorney or a legal professional, so everything that I'm about to say next is based on my personal experience and opinion only. However, I want to educate you to make a wise buying decision whether or not you should buy Pinnakle. Hey there! Welcome to Buddy Savvy. My name is Serge, and on this channel, I give out tips and do reviews about products for you that I think are legit or useless to new marketers for making money online. If you are new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and click on that notification bell so you know when I put out my latest tips and review video. If you're struggling to make money online as a new field marketer, I have some honest and practical free training, the link in the description below. This training is incredibly detailed that will show you exactly how to build a real evergreen business online which brings in traffic, leads, and sales. So go ahead and click on the link below. You will not regret it because this training is 100% free, 100% easy for someone with no experience, and 100% awesome. And you're gonna love it, trust me, this training is a no-brainer. And while you're down there, do not forget to smash on the thumbs up button and leave a comment. This will help significantly with the algorithm to keep making great videos like these for you, okay? And now, let's begin. So according to the sales page, Pinnakle is a brand new free traffic source, never monetized before, that lets you skim traffic off other people's videos. So my concern about this method, and that you guys really need to ask is this an honest and legal way to get traffic that will lead to sales? Now, I won't be diving deep into the sales page, which has so much misleading information that other field marketers have pointed out so far. However, if you stick with me, I will show you something else that no one else is pointing out yet to prove my points. And it has to do with checking out their terms of service. So this part is very important and it will set the context for the rest of the video, so pay attention. So now we're taking a look at the terms of service, and when you take a look at it, it'll state that to read this agreement very carefully. But when you scroll down to the prohibited uses, it states, when using WeNAR's FZE services, you agree not to violate any state, federal, or foreign law or regulation, infringe any intellectual property rights like copyright, trademark, patent, or other propriety rights. So if you're wondering what's WeNAR's FZE services, WeNAR's FZE seems to be a software company specializing in building online marketing and e-commerce softwares that the product creator and his team basically runs. Now keep the prohibited uses in mind in their terms of service that you agree not to do when we jump into the members area. Now here we are taking a look at the members area, and the first thing I always look for in any new software is the training and tutorials on how to use this software. Now on the left side at the bottom, you will see the training category. Once you're inside, you will see introduction video followed by 5 training tutorials about setting up and using Pinnakle. When you listen to the videos, a couple of red flags pops up. Now the first red flag is in the intro video. Now I won't play this for you, so listen to the product creator warns you when you use this product.
We have created Pinnakle. Inside Pinnakle, you can search, browse, select, and edit already viral TikTok videos. You can edit them and publish them as your own. Add as YouTube Shorts. You might be asking whether it's legal or not. Well, I'm not a lawyer. I cannot give you legal advice. The most correct way to use other people's content is to ask permission before using. If you can do that, it's super awesome. But if you can't do that, it's still kind of okay, because TikTok videos got TikTok branding inside their videos, and the creators' TikTok handles are also there in the video. But if you look around, you will find a lot of people are already using this method almost without any issues. I say almost because I have never heard any issues in this method.
If you're savvy with some common sense and you listen to this video carefully, the product creator is pretty much telling you that taking other people's TikTok content and posting them as a YouTube short on your YouTube channel, which is the main feature and the use of Pinnakle, could have some questionable and legal concerns. And yes, it does. The legal questionable concern is called copyright infringement. But he hopes that you, the new marketer who wants to make money online, won't know what the questionable legal concern is. So why would someone create something that the purpose of its use is legally questionable and is being promoted and sold to the public? Of course, if you want to use someone else's content, it is best to ask their permission and receive their approval first and then giving them credit for it. However, how likely do you think it will be for you, a new marketer with no significant following, to contact a content creator to get their approval to use their content? What would the content creator gain from you if you have not built a major significant following? Which is the reason you're looking at this product, right? Well, understand that no content creator who has done all the work, putting their time and effort into creating their content, will give you, a new marketer who has not done anything or has not built a significant social following, approval to their content and their work. Most likely, that is what's going to happen. So therefore, you are going to use option B, which is using the software and ripping off TikTok content without approval. I will talk more about some of the tutorials later, but let's go back inside the members area. Now we are looking at the Google app setting, and what this function is for you to connect your YouTube API by creating a Google Cloud account for it to sync in the software. Now, if you're wondering how I do this 14-minute video will walk you through the whole process, and is not so simple and definitely not newbie friendly. As a matter of fact, towards the end of the video, you will hear that after a few days of going through the whole syncing process, the app will probably not work. So you will have to go through all the steps all over again, and as well create a whole new Google Cloud account and repeat the process every few days. So does that sound very intriguing to you? Okay, next is where your imported YouTube channel will show up once you have set up the API correctly. After that, you have the TikTok video maker, which is where you'll pick the TikTok content you want to import as your YouTube short. Once I saw this screen, I knew it looked very familiar to me. The reason it was so familiar to me is because I did a review of an identical product earlier called Viper. Viper claimed the same promises in helping you take other TikTok content and post them as your own. The same concerns that I pointed out in my Viper review are the same red flags that I see with the software. I will put a link in the description below to go and check out my review on Viper so you guys can watch and see the similarities and concerns that I point out. I'll point out in my Viper review how the product creator added the TikTok legal term of use so you are aware of it. Do you know why they did that? Well, if you're savvy, it's because they are putting that responsibility on you in case it is illegal. And it is illegal, by the way. And they do not want to be held responsible for any legal action, which is probably going to happen when someone uses the software. When you check out the term of use, the intellectual property policy comes up and talks about copyright and copyright infringement. I will link that to the description below so you can go and check it out. If you go here, you can edit and then you can download a video. This training video, how to create a video using the TikTok video maker tools, will walk you through that. Then you have the create video sections where your create videos goes. And then you have the TikTok hashtags. And then you have the Channel Manager, a version of YouTube Studios where you can manage your YouTube channel and content as well as the comments in the background. If you are new, I highly recommend that you manage everything about YouTube on the YouTube platform. And now, let's talk about the OTOs and upgrades. Pinnakle has 11 upsells and 11 downsells, with the front-end product starting at $19 or $17 as a downsell. If you combine all the downsells together, you come out a cost of $604 total. And if you combine all the premium upsells, you come out a cost of $1,106 total. Now, if you recall at the beginning of this video, I mentioned that I was going to prove a point that I didn't see anyone else mention in their review of this product. And during the Pinnakle intro video, you heard the product creator mention that he almost never heard of any issues using the strategy. Well, if you do a simple search on the internet, like is stealing content from TikTok and upload it to YouTube legal, you'll get a few search results like this one from Cura. In this post, someone asked, can I put other people's TikTok videos on YouTube to earn money? And all responses to this post pretty much said the same thing. And one of the responses said that you cannot use someone else's content without permission. Doing so is illegal. Copyright infringement. Making money off it doesn't matter. This would be stealing from the video maker, plus YouTube doesn't have permission to distribute the music in those videos. TikTok pays for that permission. Your video will be banned. I think the response to this post pretty much sums it all up, and I will put a link to this post in the description below. Now, another resource that I want you guys to go check out is this YouTube video about what happens when you upload someone else's video to your YouTube channel. It's only under 4 minutes long, and it goes into details about what happened when there's a copyright strike on YouTube. Okay, so go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link to this video in the description below. And the last thing that I want to point out is that this creator pretty much creates a product every month. So, and majority of his products that recently came out have about 2 to 3 stars out of 5 ratings. So, why do you think he creates so many products that only get 2 to 3 stars out of 5? Okay, so I'll let you guys think about that. So what's my final thought and recommendation? I recommend avoiding purchasing this product if you do not want your YouTube channel to get banned and possibly sued for copyright infringement. So do not buy this product. However, if you still want to buy this product and use it after watching my review, please seek an honest and legal expert first for advice. But if you're looking for honest and simple training to help you make money online, go to the link in the description below and check out my #1 recommended training. It is so simple, anyone with no experience can do it. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you thought anything I said here was wrong, let me know why in the comment section below, and I will appreciate constructive feedback so I can get better and make better videos for you, okay? And I'll see you in the following video.